Way good day, everyone. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome, chat. How's it going? How are you today? Let's go, guys. We have a $25,000 giveaway today. Let me just share this presentation with all our community members pretty much everywhere. Pretty much everywhere. We are live. Join us. Here we are. Let's just share this in our other groups as well. Let me pretty much share this pretty much everywhere. How's it going, everyone? How are you today? Are you guys ready for NVIDIA earnings a little later today? They're not going to be during the live stream, of course. But we are going to do our best. Oh, this is a let me quickly verify, guys. This is a $50,000 giveaway today, not a 25 grand. Let me change the title. This is a 50 grand. Ticktick Trader does not have 25k accounts. Only $50,000, so let me just change that. Welcome, guys. Good morning, everyone. 50 grand. Let me just edit my messages here. Hope you have a great day, everyone. We have a green day so far in the markets, with the Nasdaq trying to survive around the 21,500, sitting above the daily opening, sitting above the daily VWAP, 200 EMA, weekly, monthly VWAP, everything sits below us. So I think we have an interesting moment here, which is why
order filled.
Testing out a long. Testing out a long with a target on 519.
Order filled.
516, basically, it's sufficient for us. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Let me quickly share this with our community member as well on Ticktick Trader. Right, just quickly grabbing the link here. Good morning, guys.
Order filled.
Trading our mini contracts with 5 points needed from here to touch our target. Come on, squeeze above this. Make sure everyone liked the video. Let's go. We have a good opportunity here. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Really good opportunity here. Let's go, guys. Like the video so we can get into subject. We have a very interesting context here. Let's go, guys. A few more points to go. 4 more points, actually. This is a good target that we have with a squeezing necessity above 512. If we get denied again, I'm going to be out, right? So 2 1-minute candlesticks denials in the row. Those rejections are not something that I want to see. Stop loss is going to be on break even, because that would actually translate into 2 denials, and I don't want to be exposed under such situations. Let's go, everyone. 2 more points needed. I actually sold it over there, so we secured $607. We secured $607. We're gonna go with a round of fireworks. That's a good start, guys. It's a copy traded account, so it's important. Beautiful. Great one. That's a great one, guys. Especially that I've been out there on 10 mini contracts. Gotta secure whatever chance I have. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Let me quickly share this with our community members on Thrive as well, that we are live trading our accounts. Today we're gonna trade Thrive as well. We're trading basically Ticktick Trader, Top 1 Futures, and then Thrive. Let's go, everyone. Interesting, how does that 5-minute looks like with a potential danger here for a double top. Retest of the daily. Daily that used to reject us today a couple of times. Broke out just happened, and looks like we converted that level into our support. That's the picture that I'm seeing right now. Good evening as well, Matt. How's it going, guys? Thank you for joining. Appreciate it. We got our first trade, securing $600.
Order filled.
I'm going to open up a short here for a scalp for levels below 500s.
Order filled. Order filled.
I would need around $955 extra. We are in a short right now with 8 minis. 955 would actually allow me to touch my target. This could be a nice continuation opportunity for the downside. Back into the 501. Thank you guys. Appreciate it for joining.
Order filled.
Five points for our target, with the market having the possibility here to break below 504. That's what we gotta do. Breaking below 504 could actually nicely give us the target.
Order filled.
I gotta be out there. This did not play it out this short. Looks like it's difficult with the shorts today, guys, to be honest with you. We got stopped out there. This is looking like it wants to squeeze higher. By checking the higher time frames, we are discovering that, you know, the 1 hour candlesticks are really bullish.
Order filled. Order filled.
One hour candlesticks are really bullish there in the way the charting looks. We have been dealing with the highs here for a few times in the past couple of weeks. This is a level that got us rejected around 550s numerous times. So good morning, guys. Good day, everyone. It's a level that we got stuck days in a row here around 550s. So we got things around with Nvidia today. Let's see if we are capable here of getting the push with a continuation that I'm looking forward to seeing. That 1 hour candlestick we have looks great for a continuation. Let's have a look into the 4 hours. 4 hours are searching basically to break above this whole structure on 550s. That's very interesting. Right, so unless the significant selling pressure steps in at some point for some external reasons, by the technical side is bullish here. Which means levels above 560 will very likely to be touched today. Let's get back to the 5-minute chart, everyone. $554 for the first extension. Dangerous level on 593 for the 1.61 extension of the Fibonacci. I'm a swing trader, yes, full-time swing trader in crypto since 2014. Beautiful, guys. Let's go with this one. Gotta put my stop loss on my entry. What a miserable rejection so far. There's going to be a lot of these things today because we're dealing with the liquidity from the high. So there's going to be a lot of this today. Markets moving 5 points in a single candle, quickly denied. 10 points, 20 points in a single candle, quickly getting denied. So there's going to be this kind of back and forth today. Beautiful. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone, so we get the numbers rolling and prepare for the live stream. With the giveaway, of course. $50,000 instant funding for Ticktick Trader. At the moment, I am trading top 1 futures. Three points needed here for the swing. It's just above the squeezing of the previous high we had here on the micro. You can see that. We had it on 24, so slightly above that. Look at that, guys. We're gonna get stopped out and break even. We got lucky. But I'm sure we're gonna get stopped out and break even, and that's exactly what happened. Looking at the 1 minute candlesticks right now. So on top 1 futures, I'm looking at the 1 minute candles. The price action always trading on the 1 minute, and then the technical analysis is done basically on 5 minute, 15 minutes. And then pre-market I'm doing on 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hours, basically working through multiple time frames. Missed accumulating on the profits at the desired level. I wanted to secure my entire profit target from a single trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
This will be actually an interesting point for me.
Order filled.
If the market holds here, I can get a nice target.
Order filled.
If it's going to miss holding at this level, I'm gonna be out, of course.
Order filled.
That's right. We're following through a bullish environment for the moment, but I'd like to see if this is going to be accelerated by Nvidia announcement from later on today. If I'm not wrong, today we have Nvidia news. We also have FOMC minutes today at 2 p.m. EST time. We have a certain level of momentum here. This is the way the 1 minute chart
Order
looks
filled.
like. Oops. We got touched. We got touched on the stop loss. We got chopped out. The market is going back. Look at that one, guys. Look at that one, guys. We got chopped out. And there you go. The target would have been touched, everyone. There you have it. We got shot. Then it moved to my target. Beautiful. It just went below the wick with a single point, and this is what happens when you go on tight stop losses and you utilize them. Markets can wipe you out and then move to your targets. Look at that one, fellas. This is what I've been trading. Since the opening of the stream. This is what I've been hunting, but we've just, got ourselves wicked out. If we get back into the 20s, you see, in this case scenario, at a time I've seen the green candle reversing and pushing back, if I would have re-entered. But then, if the trade would have not played out, you would have said that is revenge trading, right? So, this way, you wait, and you miss it out. This is the way the 5 minute looks like.
Order filled. Order filled.
Good trading, fellas, to you as well. Wish you a productive day. Unfortunately, today we got shot with the markets wicking basically into my stop loss and then moving to the target. And now totally I'm psychologically into the wrong direction with the whole thing. Chasing basically my trade. Market just denied a whole candle 5 minutes. Things are getting ugly here. We did not move above. We got shot. Putting my stop loss there. Cannot afford more here.
Order filled.
And we got shot, basically. Also touched the stop loss. Still sitting with 2,200 above the main balance, but this was pretty ugly, this loss here. It's actually 2.5 days of recovery with a good trade that should have been touching the target of the day. That's it, fellas. Gotta move on. Now this is going to be an interesting selling pressure on their domination. It's all great. We just got shot with a tight stop loss. That's why most of the time I'm not really too enthusiastic about tight stop losses. Eliminates your chances during such scenarios. Puts you on the wrong path with the whole thing. Gotta wait a little more. This 5 minute obviously is seeking continuation. What a strong 5 minute candle we have here. Gold is pretty much finding a nice support level on the 300s. Getting confirmed by that. Yeah, it's really frustrating, and then you saw what happened. Really frustrating when wicks you out and then it goes to your target, right? This is really frustrating. It wicks you out and then it hits the target. There is an interesting point of support here appearing on the price action side. We have some conversions.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yep. This week, we certainly had some difficulties appearing. It's gonna be choppy today, but depends how choppy, right?
Order filled.
$5.20s represents a nice liquidity point in that imbalance candle. I'm afraid today we're going to get a lot of choppiness till the US opens in an hour, probably between the top created and the golden pocket, which sits on the daily opening as well. Those are the two heavy levels. This is looking pretty interesting. Adding a little more if we get there. But this is an interesting position that we have. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Temporary support might confirm here for a swing into the 20s that I'm researching here. Come on, guys. We're ready for a 5-minute decent reaction here on the wicks established. Certainly ready with that. We have our 7 minis. Longs. And a $50,000 instant funding account today for a Ticktick trader, which is, by the way, running a 50% discount on their accounts. On their Project X accounts that you can connect with their new platform with Quantower. Looks pretty good so far. I'm moving my stop loss to my entry break even, deleting those limit orders, and we're just sitting right now and waiting. We need another 5 points here. The previous candle we just had with a flat closing and a wick below is usually indicating strength to the upside. So $5.15 is a micro resistance. $5.15 right here as we speak. Let's go, guys.
Order filled.
And we are fully out. 1,500. Let's get the fireworks. This is exactly what we should have in the other accounts, guys, earlier. And then look at the rejection. It totally disappeared. The candlestick fully disappeared. Beautiful, 1,500 here. At least we got to our target at this point. How does this account looks like? 2 winning days here since we started with it. With Ticktick Trader, you need to first earn your safety net. Safety net is located on 5%. And then whatever money you want to cash out needs to be above the safety net. I'm not sure. I don't think it's freezing, because at the time it's freezing or it has connection problems, YouTube is actually letting me know about it. Right, and then have a look into this account, guys. We had 4 great days. And today we got shot, basically. So that's about 2.5 days needed right now to recover. You know, we could still set the week on profit by tomorrow and Friday on green, right? We got to recover 2,200 to set this week on profit. And then we would have 2 profitable weeks, which would be fine. But this trade today should have been pure profit as well. If you saw my trade, we just got wicked out and then the whole thing went to our target. Ticktick Trader pays 80%. Right, so on a $150,000 account, you actually get $2,400. Currently it's priced at $350 and you get 2,400. You have a drawdown of 6,000, by the way. Maximum 3 accounts. Very similar rules, but right now Top 1 Futures is dominating the space. Really dominating the space. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Look at that, we just brought the markets back to 530s, retesting these levels. Look at that 5 minute. It definitely wants to break above and continue, but I'm gonna slow down. And look forward trading my Ticktick Trader accounts. And then continue trading today my Thrive accounts as well. Top 1 Futures, by the way, is giving you 55% with the code SCREMBO at the checkout. 55, which is a bigger discount than they have on their website. Their website is giving you 50%. I've negotiated and we've got a code with 55. And it looks like we broke above. So now the big deal and the big question about the possibility for this one to run. We had an interesting 5 minute closing earlier. Ticktick Trader, for example, is allowing micro scalping, is allowing DCA, is allowing news trading, so they don't care about all these things.
Order filled.
Such as I'm longing it here and I'm exiting 2 points above, right?
Order filled.
No activation fee for Ticktick Trader. It's an instant funding account.
Order filled.
Instant fundings are usually not having activations. Are we gonna get another V, reversed V drop from the highs? Like we got a reversed V-shaped drop. This is gonna be another reverse V-shaped drop. Or simply we do this, right? And then we drop. That's the other formula as well. And that's why I can make money with the liquidity that's being pushed back.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is an interesting possibility here, guys. To touch our target on 960. Just 2 more points needed.
Order filled.
And we touched the target. $895 on Ticktick Trader. That's a good one, guys. Pretty good that we didn't have the reversed V-shaped drop. But this is just non-stop bullishness. Everyone, make sure to join my Discord to be part of the giveaway. You gotta be part of the Discord. I'm gonna pin the message. Nvidia is opening in the highs already. It's gonna be very interesting. Welcome, Matteo. How are you doing, buddy? Morning, everyone. Let's pick up the likes, everyone. Make sure to like the video so we can get ready. Slowly and slowly, this is getting closer and closer to the targets.
Order filled. Order filled.
We have 6 minutes short here ready to take advantage of a quick scalp. Stop loss on my entry. Break even.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out there. And then it moved to my target, right? This is already happening for the second time today, getting stopped out. It's good now. We had it on break even, so we didn't lose with this. This is the way it's going to be today. With this kind of powerful candlesticks. Speaking about big volatility today with Nvidia. Trading today are Tab 1 Futures, Ticktick Trader, and Thrive Trading instant funding accounts. It's clear the way it's going to be today with this very strong 5-minute selling pressure appearing suddenly from levels that are just hammering this one down.
Order filled.
So 21,526. Adding a limit order there if we get that. Just putting my stop loss to my entry, guys. Let's get the markets down into 507. $645 would be beautiful there. Come on, just a little bit lower. I'm actually out
Order
here.
filled.
Beautiful, guys. We're up to $1,405 profit on the accounts. They're copy traded. That was great, guys. Beautiful. Come on, guys. Make sure to like the video. Like the video, everyone, and prepare for the giveaway. 50 grand instant funding account. You take the account and you try to make money from the beginning. That's a pretty ugly looking 5-minute structure that we have here. Very likely this is going to continue down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Putting on a quick scalp here.
Order filled.
Out of this. Thank you, Christoph. Thank you, buddy. So we have squeezed below. There is a possibility here for a moment to see some bullish rejections appearing. The fight is quite close, everyone. That's the way today we're gonna have the price action. It's a high volatility day with Nvidia coming out soon. Of course in the next hours, but the markets are taking advantage of that and they're playing with us. This is the place we actually have the reverse golden pocket around this 500s. This could be a scenario if the bulls would like to step in at this point. Otherwise, we open up the doors basically for the lows around 580, 485 actually. 485 in the daily opening on the 480s. Yet there is a form of reaction here that could hold.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I can share with you. Fibonacci has the golden pocket settings. Very, very soon I'm gonna share with you that. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Do not forget, we have a giveaway today, $50,000 account for Ticktick Trader.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Beautiful. $1,635 profit here. We've been scalping a little bit, even micro scalping, not a problem. Ticktick Trader is fully allowing it. Now, double clicking on the Fibonacci. This is the way the settings are managed to done. We're eliminating basically 3 Fibonacci points. We don't care about them. And then we have the golden pocket in between the two levels. The 0.618 and 0.65 basically are the mathematical calculations and the ratios of the golden pocket. Golden pocket is usually a pivot point of reversal, automatically represented depending where do you want to trade, whether you use it normally or reversed. It gives you places of potential reaction, such as we have them here. And we already got a 10-15 points reaction from it, something that could be monetized at the end of the day.
Order filled.
Getting back into a long here, just a single contract.
Order filled.
Added a little more to this. Putting my stop loss on my entry. We're micro scalping a little bit, right? $175 for the profit and break even if we get stopped out. Yeah, just follow
Order
me on
filled.
the live stream. You have the ability to see them. You have the ability to see them on the live streams. Beautiful. Markets wicked us out in a place that's filled up with energy, so it's kind of obvious when you are limiting the mobility of a trade like that. Let's go, guys. We have about 30 minutes to go for the US opening. 50 grand on the bonus side for the instant funding. Target has been touched as well on tap on futures. So I'm trading my third account here.
Order filled.
On the Ticktick right now. I'd like to grab some liquidity from higher points.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
510 so far is the difficulty we got across. Looks like this is the one that keeps us under pressure. 510. 30 minutes to go, everyone, for the US opening, and we're gonna start our giveaway soon with that. Putting my stop loss to my entry. Looks like a decent trade.
Order filled.
And we got break even with that. Didn't took the profit, didn't want it to take profit at that level, was seeking for more. Better played break even. But this is an interesting point in the way we're pressuring right now. Could be a reversed bull flag, right? As a pattern, which usually indicates continuation. It's just a bull flag reversed. So that's like a bear flag, which could indicate a continuation here. I mean, we've got the daily opening on 480s that I'm not going to exclude at any point. And a golden pocket 2 there from the previous high, so that's something I would consider. And of course, lower levels as well. Daily VWAP 470s. Although at the end of the day, the movement above 525 in the way we have reacted could only have been a squeezing momentum. Not much and not more than that. Right, so we took out the 525 and that's it, right? You might not come back to that level without dealing first with the lows on 485. Really questionable. Good morning, everyone. Hey, how's it going? Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We've got some good numbers today. Our copy traded accounts on Ticktick Trader are doing fine. Hit the target. Top 1 futures account as well got to the target. The copy traded top 1 futures accounts have not got to the positive target, actually been stopped out. Pretty ridiculous momentum there that we had. We just got shot in the tick and then the market moved to my direction. It happens. It happens. Let's go, guys. Hope you have an amazing day and be careful with the volume today, with the volatility, with everything that stands with the risk side. Risk management today is going to be key. $25 minutes to go for the US market opening. Pretty happy about it.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is an interesting possibility for the continuation here on 515. We have our long entry.
Order filled.
we are writing our long entry. With a possibility of getting out of those 514. But it doesn't look like it wants to do it. It looks like it wants to hit our stop loss. Beautiful reaction, guys. Have a look into that. Clearly forming here a micro demand zone. Come on, guys. I think we're down for an interesting reaction.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go, guys. That 513, like I told you earlier, is the deal. Look at that one. Look at that one for the target, guys. 2 more points needed. Two more beautiful points needed there.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. We touched the profit, so that's $1,500. Hey, that's the way to go today. Everything has been smooth on Ticktick Trader today. Go! Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. That was going. You missed the entry. We had those 1 minute, very interesting type of behavior. Look at that, guys. That 1 minute rejections appearing on a situation where it has been proven here to that point to be a demand micro zone. So that's why we have been pushing here for a nice long. We got to our target 1,500. Thank you guys. Pretty good reaction. So everything's on Ticktick Trader has been to max profit. That's the same thing we would have been on Top 1. But that market stopped us out right before the target would have been achieved. And then psychologically I've missed my game. So those first accounts that I traded today are sitting on red. Besides that, we're running nice and smooth. You see, the exits are very important today to be completed on micro breakouts and squeezings above each market structure. It's because the choppiness is there. And the reversals are continuous, guys. Look at that. We're just squeezing below here for 1 point and then moving to the other side, squeezing above this level, and then we're moving down, right? So this is back and forth today. Make sure everyone to join my Discord. The link has been attached in the chat. And prepare for the giveaway. We have 15 minutes to go. Everything's green today. We actually have, out of 6 accounts, 4 accounts green today, hitting the max profit needed. And we're moving to Thrive Trading very, very soon. Hawk, if you are feeling the $600 you made had a difficult price, a painful price, you need a lot of the efforts to pay that. Obviously, you want to slow it down and you call it a day. If you feel you give too much for that 600 and it's already too much, it's getting risky, then you should basically consider putting a stop. The strategy is custom, basically. The strategy that I'm following is custom, is dynamic, and it's pretty much applying conditions related to trendings, horizontal structures, supply, demands, trending lines, as well following through the momentum of the squeezings that I'm trading through price action. I'm most likely trading 7-8 points market movements that are following some technical analysis principles along with price action principles too. This is the way we are doing it. Remember guys, today we're trading as usually Top 1 futures, which is giving you 55% discount on the accounts. Actually they give you 50, but I have a specific deal with them offering you 55. And then Ticktick Trader, which is instant funded as well, giving you 50%. Levels of, there you go, John. This is not missing from the schedule, John. Otherwise, you wouldn't see that color right there next to the P&L. I tell you, you would see the opposite than green. You would see the opposite than green. Cheers, everyone. Exactly. It's the energy for the trades. It's the energy for the giveaways, which is going to happen very soon. 50 grand. That's not something to underestimate, right? And it's an instant funding, so not a challenge. You don't have to buy it. You're taking the account and you're making money from it. Not a good trade, and slow it down, buddy. JMO Trader, slow it down if it's not a good day. Very important not to revenge. Something that I've been discovering, even if it takes 2 or 3 days to recover, those days are gonna move so fast when you're on the right path. It's very interesting, right? Sometimes we think about, instead of allowing 2 or 3 days to recover, we better push in the same day, trying to recover it, somehow adjusting it within the same day by increasing the risks and so on. And most of the time this is not working. There are times when this is working, but most of the time it's not going to work. So the number one way we make money in trading is by knowing how to lose, when to lose. This is very important, guys. That's the number one way we're gonna make money. The first question people and traders should ask is the way of losing money instead of the way of making money. Simply because the losses will always kill no matter how much you make. So it's kind of worthless to make money if you do not know how to lose money. If you're expecting not to lose, then that's also a terrible approach. You gotta expect to have losses, but you need to have losses that are fully controlled and decided by you. Good morning, Gunner. Look at the price section here. It's pretty wild, but we have been securing some numbers today across the board. We got 4 accounts touching the max profit needed. Sorry to hear that, Andre. You're gonna get back in business with a much better perspective. Every single little experience, guys, let me share with you, especially the painful, the harmful experiences, they should positively contribute to your trading journey, and you should not underestimate the lessons coming from them, right? So take that information that is usually painful, take that experience that is usually painful, try to understand it, try to brainstorm around it, and then work with it. It's something that can easily contribute to your much better performance in the markets. Let me open up Quant Tower because we gotta trade some. We gotta trade some Thrive trading as well. And we got 10 minutes to go, everyone. And then we got the giveaways as well. So you want to stick with us till the end. Make sure to like the video, fellas. Appreciate it for joining, but make sure to like the video so we pick the numbers up. And you can also join the giveaway. You're welcome, buddy. Just use the resources to get yourself some accounts and get ready for a good journey on the long term. How is it Thrive comparing with Ticktick Trader and Top One? Well, currently Top One is still the best. And you guys want to consider, for example, on Top One, the 100K account is good as well. The 50K is interesting too. So not just the 150K. I've told you that I'm trying to work around a solution, and I'm going to share with you in the upcoming streams and videos some announcements. I might go on a partnership with a specific firm. I'm not going to tell you the name of the firm, so do not ask me because I'm not going to say yes or no. But I'm trying to see if I can go with a firm. It's not my firm. It's a prop firm that has been online for many years. And to create a form of partnership where I am going to create the plans. Create the plan. So you will be able to join and trade on scramble plans. And that's going to be a very interesting product, guys. We'll see if we successfully set up a deal. We'll see if we have the ability to manage a partnership like that. Currently, we're working on. It's a company that has been online for years. They know the numbers. They clearly know the numbers. So they know what's sustainable and what's not sustainable. You guys also know if it's too good to be true, it's not sustainable, it needs changes. No one loves changes, but at the same time, if the rules are too difficult, no one buys them. No one trades them, right? It's very interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some models. Some products, some models. And I'm going to reach out here in our community on Discord, on YouTube, on live stream. I'll make a video and I'm going to present you some models. And you guys will have the ability to vote. You guys will have the ability to express your opinions about it. Right, so you guys will have the ability to vote. And tell us which model do you like. Because there's many possibilities where to set the drawdown, where to set the payout target, what prices to set, what this, what that, right? So there's many possibilities to tweak things around. The idea is simple. There are systems and models that are sustainable. There are models that are not sustainable. It's clear. And if you go with models that are not sustainable, you get tons of sales. It's easy to sell something that it's easy for the trader to make money, right? Which is something that I don't want to do, and that company as well is not interested doing. Yet I have to find a balance, and this is the reality, fellas, and this is what all the companies are adjusting and implementing their rules changes and so on, because they're trying to find a balance where they have a minimum profit, and that's fine when you have thousands of traders. You got minimum profit on each trader, it's fine. You don't need to make a lot of the money on each trade. If you have a minimum margin, but you have thousands of traders, that adds up. So you create an environment that is at the same time sustainable, but at the same time feasible and approachable. Look at that. What's happening here with the markets, guys? We're having 4 minutes to go. What's going on? The giveaway starts within the next 10-15 minutes. I'm going to talk to you about it, guys, at a time that is the moment. There is still a lot to work on, right? So we're just discussing and dealing and researching the numbers, and at some point I'm going to come out with the version publicly and give you some models and tell you, vote the one you prefer. There's going to be multiple options, but I'd like to see what does people prefer. This is very, very interesting, fellas. You know, I'd like to do something you guys are interested in trading. I'd like to do something you guys would enjoy, you guys would decide. At the same time, I know people would actually decide to trade on things that are extremely easy. Now, as we already know, whatever is too easy is too good to be true. It's not gonna last, it's not gonna be sustainable, and it's not even going to be launched like that. Yeah, it's a legit company. They've been for many years online, and they want to do a partnership with me where I am creating some plans and products and different accounts based on my, based on my experience, community requests, for example. If I ask you, where do you want your payout threshold to be? You're going to tell me at 1%. And you want a $10,000 payout, right? With an account which is going to cost you $100. That's what everyone is searching for. 1% payout, $100 price, $10,000 payout. This is probably the response I'm going to get. So there is 2 minutes to go, fellas. It will be a life changer. But it's clear that it's not possible, right? No maximum loss, right? What about creating a plan without a maximum loss? What do you think about it? No maximum loss. The payout, unlimited. Price, just a single dollar. No, I'm joking right now, of course. But the idea is that we're going to work on this and I'm going to update you as we move. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. The markets are getting back to their lows here, retesting the levels. So what do I have to do? I gotta move here. On my other scene, on Thrive. We're out here on Quantile right now. Exactly. No, we gotta make an environment that is having a very small profit margin for the company. It's not needing big profits for the company. And at the same time, it's sharing a lot back with the traders. Right, so this is something that we're trying to build. 30 seconds to go, everyone. Things are getting wild here. We're having our Quantile for Thrive. We're trading 5 accounts here on Thrive. 5 copy trading accounts. It's gonna be madness here. And here we have the opening bell. There you go. Market is live. And I'm out. We made $100. Yeah, it's ripping, guys. It's ripping so far. Trading on the opening. Whew. Pretty aggressive. Pretty aggressive. And we had to close that out. And look at that, the market is pushing back right now, fully recovering. This is crazy. Opening a little long here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And I'm out. Beautiful. We made some profit there. So we recovered out of the loss. Trading right now on Thrive. And getting ready soon for the giveaway. Let's see if we can break those 517. That would be lovely. We set our target on 523. Let's go, guys. Come on, keep pushing above. I'm gonna play break even this one. I'm out. We got stopped out there. I think this is still breaking above, guys. This is gonna break above and then run. Keep running, come on. Keep running. We're trading the minis. And we're doing the giveaway very, very soon. Stick with us, guys. Let's go, guys. Come on. Oh, look at that. That's a terrible rejection we got at there. That's a terrible rejection we got right there. Let's see how does this 1 minute works around. If we got the ability to push through these levels, 525 is what's bothering me. Come on. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Get this one strong to the upside. Get this one pretty strong to the upside. Let's go, guys. Come on. Look at us. Having a good time here. I'm gonna, you know, play break even in case the market drops down. Stop loss on the entry. Break even is right there. Stop loss is on the entry right now. We don't have a take profit to the upside. We got stopped out on the entry. We got stopped out on the entry with that one. And it's seeking to continue upwards. I think this is going to go upwards, guys. Look at that. Honestly. We're just going to try to do a form of microscoping here. For some points. We have a take profit set on the 37. Beautiful. We recovered quite a lot of it. We recovered quite a lot of that. With our earlier entry, that would have been tons of money, guys. Yeah, look at this crazy move. We just broke above everything, right? Let me share with you, fellas. Look at this one, guys. We just broke above everything. Break even is a scam, exactly. Could have made a lot of the money with that trade, especially I was in the bulls and I was believing in the bullish momentum. So on high volatility, this kind of bout, and you miss the boat. Exactly what you are trading, what you are targeting is going to be touched, and you're just out of the game. Yeah, I've closed the earlier trading because I had the stop loss on break even. I did wanted to kind of avoid risks. Beautiful, guys. So this is going to be an interesting possibility here of speculation. All the way back to the liquidity points in the wicks. Putting break even again, guys. Limit order a little bit higher on 558 limit order. We have break even right now and 558 target. So I'm out there. Beautiful. We got some money. We got some profits there, as you can see. Finally, right? We got some money. We got some profits here as well. We have the net P&L. That's the profit. It's $203 profit net P&L. 330 has been made, but 127 bucks we paid in fees. All right, fellas, so let's just get back to our momentum. We're grinding it. Guess what's gonna happen next, guys? Everyone, you gotta listen to the rules. You gotta listen to the rules. Just a single guess by person. Do not try to guess more. Let's go, guys, with the giveaway. Let's go with the giveaway. Let me tell you, please follow the rules. Quantum, it's quite decent, exactly. It's quite decent. They're still at the beginning, right? So it's quite decent. Everyone, you have to listen for the rules. Only one number per person. Wait, everyone. Wait. 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 Oh my god. Wait, 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 wait. Do not start. Do not. You have to wait. Do not start yet. Only one number per person. Please do not start yet. I'll tell you when. First things first. What do you have to do, guys? You have to like the video to be part of the giveaway. The second thing, be subscribed to the YouTube channel. With notification bell turned on, we are streaming from 8 AM EST time every day with giveaways. Right? So, like the video, everyone. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel. And we got our Discord link in the chat. It's pinned. You have to join our Discord as well. All the coupon codes, everything, you pretty much know them for all the companies that we're working with. And now we're getting ready, guys. So, we will only accept numbers from the moment I said the command until the end, right? So, once you see it in the chat, that's the time you start writing. Please wait for the command for you to see it in the chat. Let's go, guys. Start with the numbers. Come on. You can go ahead and let us know your numbers. Good luck, everyone. Only one per person between 0 and 10. Someone has guessed 320 for some reason. This is gonna be a massive FTX, FX Max. You have more guesses. I already see people that are guessing multiple times. It's not gonna work, guys, like that. Or your first number will be accepted. Just a little more. There you go. That's the end, guys. That's the end right there. Aravali Kartik with number 9 is the last one accepted. Botla Balaji with number 5 is no longer accepted, and whatever is below that, because it comes after the end message where I'm gonna do some print screens. Beautiful, guys. Now, let's go ahead and spin the wheel and see the final number. Good luck, everyone. You gotta be enjoying this. Is that gonna be 0? What do you guys think about? That's gonna be 0? That's exactly 0. Now, please help me with a list, guys. Help me with a list. We have the winner with 0. And we're going to the duck race right now. And I'm gonna take it one by one. And we're gonna take the names one by one, making sure to verify. PGMLS. That's the first guy. 0, cool. You have it, buddy. You have it, buddy. Lots of people with number 10. Naimat, 555. Store shop. Got it on 0. Do we have more? We have Hurley. E. Peter Shane. $0.02. You guys want to make sure to verify they don't have prior guesses. Right? So in other words, they did not guess any other numbers before this ones. You definitely want to see that. This has to be their first guess. Steve Stancy. You guys want to verify the list. Bags of cash. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you, Badger. Beautiful. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Good job, guys. So this is what we have between the starting command and the ending command. We've got 9 players going by, and your guys are going to compete for 1 minute and 30 seconds right now. I'm going to set you for 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm going to shuffle the characters. Let me just move my face away from here. Shuffle the characters a few times. There you go. This is the way it's going to be, guys. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Good luck, everyone. Look at the president. Look at the B number 3. Naimat is the quick B unicorn. What else do we have here? We have the hunter, 2 cents. We got the lawyer, PGMLS. Keep going. That's pretty close so far. Pretty close. Look at this, Steve. Who's gonna win this, guys? Who's gonna win this? 20 seconds. I think someone's gonna speed up here. Look at that. And we got a president coming quite quickly. Look into that. No. No. Someone is attacking 2 cents. That's completely attacking the line, and that's the winner. Number 7, 2 cents. Congratulations, buddy. Congrats, buddy. Good job, fellas. You want to reach out to me on Discord, buddy. You definitely want to reach out to me on Discord. Private message. Drop me a private message. Let's go for a round of fireworks. For 2 cents, winner, a $50,000 instant funding account. Tomorrow, continuing, guys. Tomorrow we're going to have 2 giveaways. Tomorrow we will organize 2 giveaways. Join us from 8 a.m. EST time, and we're going to be right here. Make sure to join our Discord as well. In the meantime, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Appreciate it, for being with me here. Have a great time, fellas. Enjoy your day. Careful on trading. Relax at the time you finish your job. Enjoy your life as well. Be careful, fellas. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good time.